Okay, guys. So, in today's class, we'll go through the lookup filter and duplicate row. Okay. So first, let's talk about the lookup filter. Okay. Shravan, you can go on mute. So in lookup filter, guys, we majorly, uh, as the name says, lookup filter. So you filter the records in the lookup fields, basically. Okay. So filter the records in lookup fields, because if you guys remember the time when we learned about the lookup fields, we were able to see that you can select any record while searching inside a lookup field. Okay, so if I remind you guys, so lookup is nothing but a relationship field which has a relation with another object. Okay, on which we create the lookup, that is called child object, with which we create, that is called parent object. Okay, so in lookup you can ultimately search parent. Okay, so when I say you can search parent, it means you can search parent record basically and attach it to the child record. Okay, that will say that that parent has that. But hello, you guys can hear me?
Yes, I can.
Okay, let me share it again. So let me start it again because I missed there was a network issue. So lookup filter is nothing but the filter. Yeah, guys, you can go on mute. It's like we have a ego. Okay. So a lookup filter is nothing but the filter for records inside the lookup fields. Okay. And these fields are nothing but shows the parent records basically, so that they can attach it to the child record. If I have to show an example, okay, let's suppose I will go to contact. Okay. So you guys are clear about lookup field, right? Because we already have a second or third class where we discussed about the lookup fields. So it's a relationship field where we can build a relation between two objects. One would be child and another would be parent. The object on which we will create the lookup will be child, and to which, to other object with which we will create the relationship called as parent. And in lookup field, you can only search parent. Okay. And you can attach it to that particular child. So you can say that this child has this parent, like that. And you can navigate on that parent record. So example, let's suppose you have a teacher-student relationship. Okay. So there should be a teacher with a student, right? So we can create a relationship between both, and we can attach the teacher with a student. Okay. So the lookup field will be created on which object, guys? If it is a student and teacher object. Any guesses? Where you will be creating the lookup field when you have a parent-child relationship need to be built, and teacher needs to be parent and student needs to be child. So on which object you guys will be creating lookup field? Open question, guys. Ruchi, Shravan, any idea on which object we should create relationship or the lookup field? So I repeat, in last classes we discussed about on object which you will create, on which you create the lookup is always a child. So you will be creating the lookup field on student because it's a we have to make that as a child. Okay. And teacher would be parent, which means there should be a teacher, and the teacher can have multiple students. So that's where I'm talking about parent child. Okay. One student can also have many teacher. So it could be many to many relationship. It would get converted to. Okay. So we just have to think that The lookup field can be on both object, but when you have a concept, like many teacher can have many student can have many teacher in that way. Okay. That is that. Now I'll show you guys. So this is the lookup field, let's suppose. Okay, this one, account name. So if you see here, you can search record of account object. So account is parent, so you can search here. So lookup filter is nothing but it enhance your search basically. So right now, if you see with the test name, there are many tests came up. Okay, but if you want to filter them based on some criteria, okay, you want to only show the account where test 9 is there, you can put that in filter. Okay, if you want to show accounts where rating is cold, you can show them here. So you can apply the lookup filter in that way. Okay, did you guys got it? So lookup filter help you to filter the record inside a lookup field. Simple, one line. Okay, and this is the lookup fields which will help you to pick one of the parent, and because there could be many parent, right? And here is a chapter where you want to see. Okay, let me show result. Okay, click on show result. If you see, there are many records, right? But we want some filter, like phone number should be there, at least those records should come. So that filter we are going to apply. Okay. Any question, guys, with respect to concept? We'll go for practical. Okay, I take it as no. I'll go for an object which I have created. Let's see if we have any lookup fields. So yes, we have a account, but it is a master detail, guys. Okay, let's quickly create a lookup field. So remember, we had created this field, master detail. We can either convert that to lookup, okay? And let's see. So there are chances that you can convert also, okay? So there is a chance, I guess we can have it here also. So let me told you guys a conversion also. If you want to convert a master detail to lookup, you just have to click on edit. Even you can do it for other fields also, conversion. Okay, conversion is allowed. Okay, but not for all fields. Remember this. Okay. So you can only convert few of the fields. Okay. So this was our account master detail. Okay. If you see, we have the option for lookup filter here. Okay. So lookup filter can be available in the lookup and master detail fields. Okay. And here is the options where you can apply them. Okay. I was talking about conversion. Okay. So there is a button which comes for master detail required. We don't have it. Okay. Because there are some reason, guys. Okay. So I'm expecting a roll up summary field already created with this. Okay. Then that is the reason you cannot convert a child. Okay. So there are some parameters like if you want to convert master detail to lookup, you should not have roll up summary field already created, but we had the roll up summary field created already. So that's the reason you cannot have that change type button here. Okay, so conversion is not possible right now. If you go for other fields, okay, so let's suppose you want to convert brand number okay to text. Okay, so right now it is an auto number, so you click on edit. So if you see this button comes change field type, okay, that's where the type conversion happens. Okay, you change the field type and you can convert to anyone. Okay, phone number, anything. Okay, so that's where you can just convert. Then normal picture comes up. Okay, where you create a new field. Similarly, now you are converting the new field to a text field. Okay, so if you see here, I selected text and now I can save it. So that's where I can convert a field, okay, from one data type to another data type. Okay, so this is one of the extra thing. Now let's go back again to our chapter called lookup filter. You go to account. Okay, I just want to show you guys that other field was converted. Okay, so brand number is converted to text. Previously it was an auto number. So data type you can change if you guys have created by mistake. You don't need to delete and then recreate a new field, but you can convert. Okay. So now I'll go ahead and click on edit. So I want to apply lookup filter. Okay. So now to apply lookup filter, guys, you have the option here, lookup filter as a option in the field level. Now here you have criteria. Okay. Filter criteria. And then you have a message. Okay. So let's suppose you want, as I told, you can have the fields available from the brand object. Okay. If you want to put some filter based on brand object, you also have fields available on account level. Okay. You have field available based on your user profile and role. Okay. All these options are there if you want to filter that. Okay. So let's suppose I want to filter it on account level. Okay. So I want to show all the account where a rating is account rating equals to a value you have to give. So if you got a search icon, it means it's a pick list field. Pick list and checkbox, we will get this search icon, guys. Okay. So I want to see all the accounts where rating equals to gold in this. Okay. And filter type is required. It means you have to have an value here. And if the filter does not match, what message you want to give, you can customize that message. Okay. You can only select account with rating as gold. Okay. So this is a message which you guys give. Okay. And do you want to give some text message when window up open up? So that is an optional. Okay. So I'll save this. So I've saved the lookup filter. Okay. Now if I go back here, guys, okay, and search for the account. Okay. So let me go back to my brand object. I'll create a new record. Okay. I click on new. Okay. And if you see here, this is the one which is for contact. I want to see for account, guys. So this is new brand object. Okay. I will check my field level security. So there is a button here, guys, which you saw, which I clicked. Field level security. This will check the permissions. But since it is master detail, okay, I will have the permissions. Okay, it is mandatory. So let me check. So this field right now is not here. Okay, that's what I'm seeing. So there could be multiple reason. Okay, so one is the flexi page which we have designed. Okay, that is not having this page, this field. So we have to put this field. Okay, so if I click on edit page, okay, so flexi page, how last time we designed through edit page. So we will go back on edit page again. Okay, guys, 5 more minutes and then we are good. Okay. So flexi page, we guys can open directly from edit page, or we can go here and then also we can open, this is our flexi page lightning record page. Okay. And we can edit from this place also. Like from both the place we can go, that's an option for us. Okay. I'll click on edit. Okay, this open. So let's go to this place. Okay. If I go to details, guys, I want to check my field. Okay. If it is not there, I will drag it from my field section. Okay. Okay. So I'm seeing this one to be dragged here. Okay, I've dragged it here. Account name, I would also drag type here. Okay, and I'll save it. Okay, I've dragged my to both fields, put it on flexi page. I'm going back. Now I will plan to create a new record. I'll click on new. Okay. So guys, remember we had applied the filter where account rating is cold. So we are expecting the record, okay, to be searchable only for where rating is cold. So seems like a network issue for me. 1 second. I'll try to open it again. Let me refresh it. Guys, I'm just waiting to show you guys this pop-up for the new record. Somehow it's not there for me. Maybe I have to switch my network. It's having only one connection. Yes, I'll just switch and come back.
Looks like there's a problem.
Yeah, I just connected back. Now let me click on new. Yeah, if you see now I have it. So if you see here account, now I will search with test, guys. If you see, now I will not see all the record which we were seeing in the last time. Test, test, test. If you see there's no result found, it means there is no rating. Okay, where it is cold. So I will update, okay, one of the record for the account with rating as cold, so that we can show that, okay, this account is coming. Right now there is no filter, I mean no search result coming up. I searched with the test, guys. Okay, if you see, there is no search result. So I'll go ahead and update the rating for one of my account. Okay, this one, let's suppose rating is warm. So I'll convert it to cold. You guys seeing, right? I'm converting this particular account's rating to cold from warm, and I'm saving it. So now eventually I should be able to get the account here. So now either I should refresh it. Okay, so let me once refresh it, because we have changed it on second page. So I'm expecting we have to refresh and then come back here. Okay, so I'm here. I clicked on test. Okay, I search here. Okay, not there. I'll make T as a capital. Search here. Okay, it is not there. Okay, so let's see why we are not getting that. Okay. Okay, so if you see, guys, the rating has again went to warm. When we made it cold, it went again to warm. Okay, so it means there is a automation which is reverting this particular rating again. Okay, so let me try to save it again and guys show you, because automation in the sense we have built some automation on that. Okay, right now it is cold. Let me refresh this. We just have to make sure the rating should be still cold. If it's get reverted, then it won't make any sense for us. Okay. Now it is cold, guys. Now I will copy this. Go back here. here, search the same. You see, I got it. Because previously it was, moved back to another one. Now I have the search result. I can select it. I can save it. So that is the power of lookup filter, guys. Okay, you can filter the record inside your lookup field and master detail field. Okay, any question, guys? So I'll show you guys one more thing before we drop off. Okay, duplicate rule, we will take it in next class. Okay. Okay, I'll go and show you guys. You can apply multiple filters. Okay, you can apply multiple filters on the lookup filter also. I applied one, but you can apply combination also. Okay, multiple plus combination. Okay, if you guys see here, you can see that account rating equals to cold. Now you have to edit it to apply it. You come down, guys. If you see, you have more rows, right? You can click create extra, create more rows. Okay, so here you can just insert extra more. So if you see, it's and condition. Okay, it means both should met. If you apply here, so let's suppose you want to apply brand type should be okay something. Okay, brand type should be something. So you can apply here also. So it's like you can extend this lookup filter and then make sure that you get the right data. Okay, that is that. If you see, you have more rows, so you can have even logic and or. So you want any one of the condition met, so you can apply that combination here and or. Okay, so that option you have. So that is all about lookup filter, guys. Okay, go through this and let me know if you guys have any questions. Okay, we will plan to build one more on the next class so that we guys have keep practicing. Okay, sure. What's
All
up,
right.
Direct?